Hey guys, welcome to this video. I talk about this working with the MS Excel. We've already seen the various terms related to this spreadsheet program, specifically MS Excel. So here we're going to see various categories when trying to work with this MS Excel. Specifically means maybe when you're trying to create a document, edit format, or any activity that involve creating a table manner document in MS Excel. So let's see, starting a spreadsheet program. The following are just few of the steps which will guide you in starting the Excel application. Now you have to note that these procedures are when in the Windows 7, but I'll display or I'll try to do in the Windows 10. So you can simply know how you can start a spreadsheet program. Now these steps you have to follow in starting an Excel application. First you have to click the start button on the lower left corner of your computer screen. This is commonly displayed in Windows 7. You click a start button, or you can simply just click a shortcut start button on your keyboard. Then you click the all programs arrow at the bottom left of the start menu. It is always displayed there, all programs. Then click the Microsoft Office folder on the start menu. Now this will open the list of Microsoft Office applications such as MS Word, MS Excel, MS Publisher, etc., etc. So it will display all those uh, MS applications. Now click the Microsoft Excel. Example here, Microsoft Excel 2010 option. This will start the Excel application. So that's how you can simply start a spreadsheet program by following such procedures when using Windows 7. Now this is just a display of whatever, like trying to start a spreadsheet program, as all of the procedures are simply displayed by using the arrows. There's there that the all programs arrow that becomes the black arrow once it is clicked. There's a start button there at the bottom. Then there's a click to see a list of all Microsoft Office applications on your computer. Then you click to open this Excel. Now, if this is a shortcut appears on your desktop, you can double click it. You can double click it to just open an MS Excel, and that's your desktop. So that's just a display in Windows 7, but we'll see the activity on how you can do it in Windows 10. Now let's see creating a workbook. Once Excel is started, a blank workbook will open on your screen. Now, workbook, this is an Excel file that contains one or more worksheets. Sometimes it is referred to as spreadsheets. Now, the Excel will assign a file name to a workbook before saving it by specific name given to view as a user, such as maybe book 1, book 2, book 3, and so on, depending on how many new workbooks you desire or how many new workbooks are opened. Now this is just a display of when opening MS Excel. So this is just how it appears. There are various tools and bars that can be displayed. As you can see there, there is a file command, there is undo and redo. There's where you can click it to add more commands to the quick access toolbar. There's mouse pointer there. There's the menu that displays these various editing tools: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and the view. And these you can see them differently according to various MS MS Excel program. Maybe 2010, 2007, 2016, all those, or 2013, you can now see they are displayed differently. So those are just of the parts that you can see when opening an empty or blank workbook. Now let's see entering data in worksheet. Now there are various different ways on how you can enter data in your worksheet. Specifically here, this is when you have started using this worksheet. You are trying to insert your data. Now these are different ways on how you can insert your data. First one is the typing directly into a cell and adding data. There will always be a display of a cell that is activated. It will be shaded. Now typing directory, it means you are trying to enter data directly from maybe from copying from the hard copy, trying to shift them to the worksheet. The second way which you can enter data is using the formula bar. The formula bar, this is located under the ribbon. Now just type data directly into the formula bar and press enter to display on the specific cell. The other way is using autocomplete. Sometimes this Excel will try to help speed up data entry by guessing what is being typed based on what's in the worksheet. Now, if the autocorrect option is right, just like the way you want, you can just press enter and the data will be entered there. The other way is you copy and paste. You can simply copy uh, the data from other worksheets and you paste it to the new worksheet. So have cells that you can copy and paste data within the same worksheet or different. This can save time formatting a sheet or copy data to another worksheet within the workbook. So basically, simply there are like four different ways on how you can enter data in a worksheet. So that's all for this video. I hope it's clear. We'll see editing and the formatting in our next videos, but the editing and the formatting are like that of the MS Word, simply because the tools look alike, so they are easy to understand and you can do it in your document. That's all.